She's prowling in the garden. She's on the prowl. Where are you, Mama?
You see Mom?
Yes, she does. It's okay. Good girl, man. Good girl. Perfect. Let's see what's going on. Yeah.
She's just passed out.
I'm just gonna leave it. Not behind. There it goes. Here, take the camera. Bring her out with you. She might run into you. Oh! Got you! Got you! Got you, little one. Okay. All right, girl.
Okay, so they all run to, okay.
The box. Hold on. Yeah, let's lock them in. They're all right. Hi. Hi, everyone. Oh, got a gray one. Oh, they're running. You got one? Leave the net there.
Got it.
Okay. Okay. Good orange, dude. Come here. Come here. I got it. Get the camera.
Come on, her cage.
Wait, now go open it. That one's blind. Okay.
Okay, let me.
Let's reinforce that better. It's right there. There's one, two. There's two of them. Oh, my foot's here, so maybe you go this way. Oh. Got another one. Don't get scratched, bro. Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Her tail's caught.
Sorry, kid. Okay, so that's 3.
They keep running towards this net. Let me set this up a little
Yeah, they want to leave
better.
Oh, I hear it.
Right here.
Oh. Leaped into it.
Okay,
It's
so we
okay.
still need orange and white.
It's probably in here, right?
Yeah, I saw it. Come here.
So yeah, this time we can put the, if you flip it, you can probably just drop it in with the net. Okay, ready?
I'm nervous.
1, 2, 3, go. That's the whole point of the net. The net is to... You're okay, babies.
Okay.
One more.
Orange and white. We're coming for you.
Okay, I'm moving things, okay? There's a plunger. Okay, I'm moving the box, okay?
I'm ready.
He run towards you? No, he's right here still. I think I'm gonna grab him.
Grab him.
Just stand there.
I'm ready.
Hi, kid. Hi. It's okay. It's okay, kid. It's okay. It's okay. You're fine. You're fine, okay? Oh, you're very dehydrated. I can't wait to clean you up. Woo! Hi, monkeys. Hi. I can't wait to bathe you guys. Yeah. Okay. Let's. We got all of them. The orange one with the eyes, he let me grab him.
Really?
And then the little gray one got a piece of me, but it's okay. It's 'cause Mama, look. Your kids.
Your baby's okay.
Look, look. Look. Hey, Mama, look. Right here, look. Look, there's your kids. Right here, look, see?
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Take care.
Have a good one. Oh, sweet.
I'm funny. Who is our first contestant? Eyeballs? Hi. Little orange man? Okay, little orange man comes out first. What are you? You little boy? A little feisty thing? You ready for a bath? Are you ready? We go in. Yes. It's Look at that one with the eyeballs. Toes. Your pink beans. So cute.
You're sweet as can be.
Look, I even see fish. You are infested, honey. Woo! Salute!
Hi, Feisty.
Wanna get the treat? You bit me. Hey, lady. It's okay. I don't want your face getting wet.
Are we all still friends?
Hey, everyone.